Welcome to Best Choice. The Best Nail Polish Kit is probably one of the most exciting ways to express your personal style and creativity, all from the comfort of your own home. Whether you're a seasoned nail art pro or just starting out, this kit is your gateway to a world of vibrant colors, dazzling finishes, and endless design possibilities. Get ready to transform your nails into stunning works of art. Number 5. JODSONE 60 PCS Gel Nail Polish Kit. This kit includes 55 vibrant gel nail polish colors. It also comes with base and top coats for a long-lasting, glossy finish. You'll have a wide variety of shades to choose from. The set features a smart nail lamp with 3 curing modes. It uses 30 LED lights to cure your nails quickly and evenly. It automatically turns on when you insert your hand. The gel polish provides high shine and rich color with just one thin layer. When used with the lamp, it can last up to 21 days. The color stays vibrant throughout. The gel polish is made with natural resin and a professional formula. The texture is silky smooth and easy to apply. The brush is designed for easy and even application. Please note that the color may vary slightly depending on the display and lighting. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us before purchasing. We are here to help. What we like. This kit boasts an impressive array of 55 gel polish colors, ensuring you'll find the perfect shade for any occasion. The included UV lamp offers multiple curing modes for a flawless finish. If you're looking for a comprehensive kit with a wide variety of colors and a reliable lamp, this is the one for you. What people say. The colors are stunning. There are so many shades to choose from, including nudes, glitters, and vibrant tones. The quality of the gel polish is great. It goes on smoothly and lasts a long time without chipping. The UV lamp works perfectly and dries the polish quickly. Number 4. Kleancolor 12 PC Metallic Nail Polish Set. Introducing the Kleancolor Metallic Nail Polish Set. This set includes 12 stunning metallic shades. It's perfect for adding sparkle to your nails. This set features a wide range of colors, including pink, mango, orange, red, yellow, green, aqua, sapphire, fuchsia, purple, black, and white. Each bottle contains 0.5 ounces of polish. The nail polish is designed to be fast-drying and long-wearing. You can enjoy a professional quality manicure at home with this set. This regular nail lacquer is suitable for both your fingernails and toenails. It's a great way to enhance your manicure and add a touch of glamour. With Kleancolor's metallic nail polish, you can easily add sparkle and shine to your nails. It's a fantastic way to express yourself and create a stunning look. What we like. This set offers a dazzling collection of 12 metallic shades, perfect for adding a touch of glamour to your nails. The fast-drying formula means you can achieve a professional-looking manicure in minutes. If you like a quick and easy way to add some sparkle to your nails, you should consider this. What people say. It doesn't chip or come off easily like other brands. They came so fast that I was surprised to get the package. It was full coverage. But then when it dried it has a sweet, almost a fruity berry smell. I like it a lot. I am also impressed with how fast they dried on my nails. About 7 minutes, or at least that's when I was brave enough to touch them. The metallic nail lacquer is what I got. I love all the colors. Well, maybe not the gold yellow one. But that's personal taste. I have 85 bottles of the competitor's nail polish and I will say this is a good polish comparatively speaking. When polish advertises it dries fast, there is usually a dull tone to them. This stuff isn't over glossy, but it's also not a matte finish either. And it dries fast. Number 3. Beetles 23 PCS Gel Nail Polish Kit. This kit includes 20 mini gel nail polish colors, along with base and top coats. It's a collection of modern shades perfect for any season or daily routine. This is a great gift for any woman. Inside, you'll find 20 trendy gel polish colors and 3 coats. The colors are designed to make a bold statement. It's a complete set for a perfect manicure. The kit comes in a beautiful box, making it a perfect gift. The colors are suitable for any holiday or special event. You don't have to struggle to choose the colors. This gel polish includes colors like white, gray, nude, pink, and glitter. It requires curing under a nail lamp, with base and top coats needed. It typically takes 60 to 120 seconds under an LED lamp. Made with 9 harmless ingredients, it's safe and has a low odor. With proper application, it can last for at least 3 weeks. Enjoy a long-lasting and beautiful manicure. This product is for nail use only. Carefully read the instructions. Avoid contact with eyes, mouth, and skin. If any adverse reaction occurs, seek medical attention. Keep it out of reach of children. What we like. This kit features 20 trendy gel polish colors, ideal for any season. The included base and top coats ensure a long-lasting, chip-resistant manicure. If you are looking for a variety of fashionable shades with a lasting finish, this set is a great choice. What people say. So many colors, and I like that the bottles are smaller. My application lasted for a long while due to the great quality of the polish. Easy to apply, and stays functional for quite a while. Number 2. Nicole Miller Mini Nail Polish Set. Introducing the Nicole Miller Mini Nail Polish Set. This set is perfect for anyone who loves to experiment with different colors. It's a trendy collection with a variety of shades. This 15-piece set includes a range of colors, from pastels and metallics to bold reds and purples. Each polish is a mini size, making it great for trying out new looks. It's also perfect for gifts. Find your perfect style with these fun, iconic colors. Change up your nail color frequently. This set is ideal for you. It allows you to match your manicure to your wardrobe. This nail polish dries quickly, so you can apply it on the go. No need to wait around, you can get right back to your routine. It's designed for convenience. Nicole Miller uses safe and clean ingredients, and the products are never tested on animals. It's free from harsh chemicals, parabens, and alcohol. This set is cruelty-free and vegan. This glossy and trendy collection was featured in Cosmopolitan. It was recognized as one of the best white elephant presents. This set is a great choice for any occasion. What we like. This set offers a collection of mini nail polishes in a range of trendy colors. The fast-drying formula is perfect for those on the go. If you frequently change your nail color or need a great gift, this set is perfect for you. What people say. The colors are beautiful. The polish dries super fast. The polish is quality and lasts for several days. Number 1. Tweexy Anti-Spill Nail Polish Bottle Holder. This nail polish holder is like having your own personal assistant. It grips onto any smooth surface, keeping it securely in place so you can focus on your nails. The IntelliStick creates a strong hold, even vertically. Accidental bumps won't knock it over. To remove it, simply lift it straight up and the airlock releases. It's the perfect accessory for any nail enthusiast. The moldable structure ensures a secure fit for any size or shape of nail polish bottle. You won't have to worry about it slipping around. Say goodbye to spills and messes. This holder keeps your polish bottle secure, giving you 2 free hands. It ensures efficiency and convenience during your manicure. Don't waste any of your favorite nail polish. You can easily adjust it to any angle, maximizing the use of every last drop. It helps you enjoy your favorite colors to the fullest. It's a great gift for teen girls, women, and daughters. It makes an amazing stocking stuffer for teens. Give the gift of a perfect manicure. What we like. This innovative holder prevents spills and keeps your polish bottle secure, making at-home manicures a breeze. Its universal fit accommodates various bottle sizes. If you are tired of messy nail polish applications, this is the perfect solution for a stress-free manicure experience. What people say. It makes it easier to get nail polish one-handed, and the ability to tilt and swivel is great, especially for half-empty bottles. Holds my manicure bottle securely, tilts at whatever angle is most comfortable for your needs. It really fits big, odd-shaped bottles. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.